The Easy Weight Loss Plan provides motivation to replace the modern diet of processed foods with a healthy diet of high-fiber foods. The U.S. Department of Agriculture tracks calories consumed by Americans. An amazing 26% of U.S. calories are from fats and oils that are added to foods, 19% from white flour and other refined grains with most of their fiber removed, and 15% from added sugar and sweeteners. Only about 13% of U.S. calories are from whole plant foods. Epidemics of obesity, diabetes, and other chronic diseases have followed the adoption of the modern low-fiber diet. According to an article in WebMD, when it comes to losing weight, one simple piece of advice may be more helpful than all the diet books, calorie counting, and portion measuring put together. Eat more fiber. While high-fiber foods tend to be healthy, think fruit, veggies, and whole grains, what proved equally important was that this kind of diet was easier to stick to. How exactly does fiber guard against hunger pangs? Simple. It fills your stomach, stimulating receptors that tell your brain that it's time to stop eating. According to reference.com, the earliest humans ate a diet similar to that of apes and chimpanzees, consisting mostly of fruit and leaves. Early humans may have eaten over 100 grams, about 4 ounces of fiber per day. The typical intake today is less than 15 grams, about half an ounce. The modern diet of added fats and oils, refined grains, and added sugars is a radical recent departure from the whole, high-fiber foods eaten by humans for millions of years. In its 20-page booklet, The Plant-Based Diet, A Healthy Way to Eat, Kaiser Permanente recommends a diet of vegetables, fruits, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and whole grains that does not include animal products, processed foods, or sweets. Listed benefits of the diet include lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar, reversal or prevention of heart disease, longer life, healthier weight, lower risk of cancer and diabetes, may slow the progression of certain types of cancer, improved symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, fewer medications, lower food costs, good for the environment. The World Health Organization recommends a diet of vegetables and fruits, pulses or legumes, and minimally processed starchy staple foods. The evidence that such diets will prevent or delay a significant proportion of non-communicable chronic diseases is consistent. A predominantly plant-based diet has a low energy density, which may protect against obesity, while processed foods high in fats and sugars may promote weight gain and obesity. The USDA, in a report titled Dietary Energy Density and Body Weight, a review of the evidence, found strong and consistent evidence in adults that dietary patterns that are relatively low in energy density improve weight loss and weight maintenance. The report found that vegetables, fruit, and dietary fiber reduce calorie intake and improve body weight outcomes, and improved overall health, including a lower risk of type 2 diabetes in adults. The American Heart Association, in an article titled Fiber Up, Slim Down, writes, "Losing weight can be a frustrating experience if you feel hungry all the time. Did you know you can curb your appetite and your frustration with weight loss efforts by increasing the amount of fiber you eat? High-fiber foods may help you lose weight by helping you feel full on fewer calories. A healthy diet of lower-calorie foods and regular physical activity is your best strategy for achieving a healthy weight and maintaining it. Diets rich in whole grains and fiber have been associated with better quality diets and decreased risk of cardiovascular disease." In a pamphlet titled Eat More, Weigh Less: How to Manage Your Weight Without Being Hungry, the CDC writes, "Have you tried to lose weight by cutting down the amount of food you eat? Do you end up feeling hungry and not satisfied? You can cut calories without eating less nutritious food. The key is to eat foods that will fill you up without eating a large amount of calories. Research shows that people get full by the amount of food they eat, not the number of calories they take in. Foods that have a lot of water and fiber and little fat are usually low in calorie density. They will help you feel full without an unnecessary amount of calories. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, the world's largest organization of food and nutrition professionals, agrees on the importance of fiber. Their advice: get plenty of fiber from fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains. Fiber can help you feel full longer and lower your risk for heart disease and type 2 diabetes. The Easy Weight Loss Plan provides practical ways to stay motivated until a healthy diet becomes your normal way of eating. First is a collection of over 170 short YouTube videos by some of the world's leading nutrition experts, including Drs. Neil Bernard, Caldwell Esselstyn, Joel Fuhrman, Michael Greger, Michael Clapper, John McDougall, Dean Ornish, Plant-Based News, and Pamela Popper. These videos are conveniently arranged and categorized on a website and load quickly. Show notes summarize each video. Watching 2 or more videos per day provides a long-term program to reinforce the benefits of a healthy diet. A list of the videos is provided for printing and checking off the videos you watch each day. By watching and re-watching the complete list of videos, you will receive a priceless education from doctors who have devoted their lives to discovering and explaining the healthiest diet. You will have an effective and entertaining resource for adopting a healthy, high-fiber diet. The Easy Weight Loss Plan recommends getting a copy of Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad habits. Available as a book or audiobook, Atomic Habits provides practical examples of systems that make good habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Much of the advice is applicable to setting up a kitchen, staying motivated, and adopting a healthy diet and exercise program. The book is a huge bestseller that has sold millions of copies worldwide with overwhelmingly positive reviews. The Easy Weight Loss Plan recommends keeping track of what you eat. Chronometer.com with free and premium versions is a good choice. The free version provides detailed information about vitamins, minerals, carbs, fats, and protein. Whether you are getting the recommended amount of many nutrients is shown, as well as the specific foods that are providing each of the nutrients. Keeping track of what you eat provides additional motivation to follow a healthy, whole food diet. The National Weight Control Registry, founded in 1994, is a long-term ongoing research study of people who have lost a significant amount of weight and have succeeded at keeping the weight off. The average adult who has joined the study has lost about 66 pounds and kept the weight off for over 5 years. Over 10,000 members have joined over the years, making it the largest prospective study of long-term weight maintenance. Current members complete a detailed questionnaire each year that asks about weight, health, diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices. The Easy Weight Loss Plan reviews the successful strategies used by members of the National Weight Control Registry. Other motivational strategies are discussed briefly. Regular medical checkups and blood work and monitoring blood pressure at home are recommended. Short lists of audiobooks, books, and DVD videos that reinforce the benefits of a whole food plant-based diet are recommended. Hypnosis and aversion therapy are discussed, and a video example of aversion hypnosis provided. TOPS Club, a low-cost support group for people trying to lose weight and maintain weight loss, is reviewed. TOPS Club chapters are widely available in the United States and Canada. DietBet.com is a website that uses competition to promote weight loss. Participants pay to play and share a part of the pot if successful. Aerobic and isometric exercises are recommended and discussed. A sample daily meal plan is provided with recipes for 3 quick, easy meals using mostly frozen vegetables. Breakfast is oatmeal, ground flaxseed, chia seeds, blueberries, and water, heated in a microwave, topped with sliced banana, cinnamon, ground cloves, allspice, and cocoa powder. Lunch uses a blender with a banana, walnuts, vegetable juice, lemon juice, ground mustard, broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, peas, and water, blended and served as smoothie bowls. Dinner is a bowl of diced tomatoes, mushrooms, kale, sweet potatoes, corn, grape nuts, minced onions, beans or lentils, heated in a microwave, topped with turmeric, no salt mix, black pepper, granulated garlic, sunflower seeds, raisins, almonds, minced garlic, and balsamic vinegar, plus an apple, orange, and carrot. Tea, coffee, and water to drink, grape nuts, shredded wheat, and raisins for snacks. The Easy Weight Loss Plan includes a shopping list with specific brands and sizes, with most items quite competitively priced. Walmart frozen foods include broccoli florets, corn, kale, mushrooms, peas, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Walmart beverages include instant coffee, grape juice, lemon juice, low-sodium vegetable juice, and tea. Other Walmart foods: balsamic vinegar, beans and lentils, grape nuts, ground cloves, ground flax seeds, ground mustard, no salt tomatoes, pineapple, and shredded wheat. Costco spices include black pepper, cayenne pepper, chopped onion, cinnamon, granulated garlic, ground turmeric, and no salt seasoning. Other Costco foods: almonds, chia seeds, dried plums, frozen blueberries, minced garlic, Quaker oats, raisins, and walnuts. Various stores: apples, bananas, carrots, cuties or oranges, frozen Brussels sprouts, and sunflower seeds. To summarize, there is convincing evidence from leading nutritional authorities that a high-fiber diet is the most effective and practical way to achieve healthy weight loss. The Easy Weight Loss Plan provides a long-term video program and recommends other resources for staying motivated over a period of months to adopt a healthy diet. The Easy Weight Loss Plan is a serious program for people who are serious about losing weight and keeping the weight off. The next few minutes could make a critical difference to your future. By clicking the purchase button below, watching the recommended videos over the next few months, and adopting a healthy, satisfying diet, your long-term health and the health of your family could be greatly benefited. The program includes a 60-day money-back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied with the program for any reason.